Hey guys, this is Donna. Welcome back to my channel. And in today's video, I'm gonna be talking about hair, baby's hair. And if that's something that you would like to learn more about, then stay watching, guys.
Even know my name, but she wanna know the game.
So at about a few weeks old, Catherine did have cradle cap. Her hair did not fall out, and I basically just used a little bit of coconut oil and I brushed it out. That was it that I did. I used this exact coconut oil and I left it on, and I was able to brush it out, and it worked really well. Now, I did not do a whole lot of products in the hair. As far as washing it, I just would wash her hair once a week as I was wiping her off or giving her a bath. And when it comes down to your little one, there's no need to overcomplicate products. There's so many things on the market, and as a parent, you decide what works best for you and your little one. And with my daughter, her hair fell out a little bit, and it was a slow process. Definitely it was something that I didn't even realize as her hair was shedding, until I looked back at pictures and I thought, well, she had more hair, and where did it go? So definitely it was a very slow process as far as her hair and as she lost it. And now her hair is starting to grow in. In the very beginning, what I was doing was just washing a little bit, and I was applying a little bit of coconut oil. And I thought that that was helping. But I noticed that her hair was not being moisturized and it was looking dry, and I wasn't sure about this anymore. I love to use it on my natural hair, but it did not do the same for her hair. I had to revamp and figure this thing out and decide which was best, and that's when I decided to just start shampooing and conditioning. And you can find whatever works for you, but I use this herbal shampoo / conditioner on her hair. It works really well. You just find what works best for you, something that's going to cleanse really well, and it's very gentle for your little one's hair. And of course, you don't want to have products in your baby's eye and the stinging and the burning, so you don't want to deal with that. This works really well for us. I cleanse her hair, and all I do is I go in, and this thing is the bomb. This is As I Am leave-in conditioner. About a month ago I started using it. I squeeze just a teeny weeny bit once a day. As you can see, it's almost gone. That's about it. Once a day, I squeeze that in my hand and I rub that in her hair, and then I brush. And I'm brushing her scalp just to stimulate the follicles so that her hair can continue to grow. And I've been doing this for about a month now. And this little spot back here, she had lost her hair, and now I am seeing it regrow. It's regrowing right now. I am seeing growth right back here. And like I said, she definitely had a bald spot. And at first, I didn't even notice that her hair was growing in so nicely until family and friends started commenting on how much hair she was having. And then it made me start to think, you know, people started asking me, what are you doing? What are you using? And that's when I realized I discontinued the coconut oil, and the only thing I had changed into, or I added into our hair care routine was the As I Am leave-in conditioner. That was the only thing new that we changed or we added to our hair care routine, and in 1 month I noticed that her hair started to grow and the back started to fill in. And like I said, once a day I just squeeze that little. Once again, that's all I do. A little drop, that's it. And rub that in my hand and I just slick that on her hair. And of course, I follow this up with her little baby brush and I just brush it. I don't have my brush with me right now, but I just follow her hair, the way her hair grows, backward, sides, forward, and the other side, and I stimulate her scalp. And in 1 month, not quite a month, in a few weeks, I noticed that her hair started to grow in and it's starting to fill in. And that is our hair care routine. That's all we do. So if you're a mom and you are especially trying to work on your little one's hair and trying to establish a hair care routine, definitely give this a try and let me know if it works below. Leave a comment and let me know how you're liking this as I am leave-in conditioner, because I love it. Let me know if you're liking it and leave your comment below. Well, that's it for today, guys. I hope that you love this video, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And remember, guys, life is what you make of it. Always has been, always will be. Mwah. Smooches until next time. Right, baby? Say bye-bye. Ciao.